Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepare Camping, and recently I bought this Finnish gas mask kit from Military Mart. So let's open it up and have a look, shall we? So you see the tower mark there, which is a symbol of the Finnish army. If it doesn't have that, it might have SA, which is the initials of the Finnish army. So inside, we have this white powder. That's actually part of the cleaning kit that's inside this as well. The filter, this was sealed in a plastic bag, but I've opened it up and you can see it's 60mm. Just unscrew this cap. You can see there's the filter in there. You just screw that to the side of the gas mask and pop that off. And there you go, that was a good one. So here's the mask itself. So it's got a number 2 here, which I think is to do with the size, because I think this is actually model 3. Again, it's got the Finnish army symbol on one side, and here as well on the voice module. Now, as part of the cleaning kit, you get some gloves, rubber and woolen, and in this little pocket here there's the instructions and some wipes. And you use all of these with the mysterious white powder that I've not bothered translating yet, but apparently I think that's to actually clean the kit. But as you can see, it's all in Finnish, and I don't read Finnish. So now I'll just attach it here. Now these are 60mm filters, which was NATO standard for quite some time, and now they're 40mm, but you can just, for about £1 or £2, get an adapter if you want to use a modern filter with this old mask. And there you go. Manufactured by Nokia, this gas mask was called the M61 by the Finnish Defence Forces, but it's based very much on the US M9A1. So, to try it on. Just pull these straps and tighten it around your head and try and get a good feel. Don't want any gaps around here under your jaw. So yeah, you sound like Darth Vader with it. And you can check the seal by trying to suck air in whilst covering the filter. Yeah, good feel. Well, yeah, I like that. It's pretty cool. Of course, you can use it to scare the living crap out of the kids at Halloween. Yeah, £10. Check it out. So, thanks very much for your time, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here. Or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out. Cheers!